My name is Victor Cooper, and I'm the director of the short horror film, The Woodsmen. We recently enlisted the help of Kick-Ass Media for our premiere event, and we could not be happier with how it turned out. We came to them with the challenge of making the premiere of a short film feel like the premiere of a Hollywood feature. And we had a huge theater that we'd rented out, and we wanted to make sure that everybody that walked through that door felt the red carpet experience. And so we came to them really not sure what we needed, and they came to us with a fantastic pitch, some 3D renderings to let us know exactly what it was going to look like. We did one banner that was 10 feet high and 20 feet wide. That was the poster of the film. And then we did another banner that was a step and repeat for the red carpet interviews that was 8 feet high and 10 feet wide. And when people walked through that door, the wow factor was there. You know, people's eyes lit up right away, and they felt like they were part of something really, really special. Kick-Ass Media got there ahead of time and helped us set everything up. They made sure that everything was ready long before anyone came through those doors. And they really went the extra mile. If I had to do this all again tomorrow, I wouldn't change a thing. I would go straight to KA Media and make sure they were on board right from the beginning.